Got my shop finally made. Got the roof on. It's like 8:30, 8:40 right now. So I finally got it together. It's dark out, literally. Bugs are flying around. But it's working now. See? Move the trailer forward. Whoops. Hard to see here. Just enough room. See? Clears up. Extension. It would have been good anyway, but an extra roof. It's about 12 feet, so it goes up about, I don't know, a foot or two. So it's about like maybe like a 10 foot, maybe a 9 foot span. I don't know. Let's see, about a 9 foot span from where the first flat part of the roof is. Yeah, from that flat part of the roof. That part's just a wonky bit. It's part of just a seam, so there's no seam. It bridges the seam between the two pieces of plywood. Anyway, so it's the last day of March. I got my roof operation. I got a new shirt as well. That's kind of cool looking. Maybe. Anyway, bye for now. That's pretty cool though. I don't get eaten by bugs.